ZVerse was started to solve content creation challenges around 3D printing and digital manufacturing in general. Digital manufacturing is a form of manufacturing like injection molding, CNC, but it also includes new technologies like 3D printing. And the key for digital manufacturing is that everything starts with 3D design and digital data.
Our core focus, our core competency has been this digital manufacturing platform. We've built that where we ultimately enable the fastest path from idea to manufacturing.
Digital manufacturing allows for distributed manufacturing versus a very linear supply chain. In March of 2020, we started receiving urgent calls from healthcare administrators, government representatives, asking for critical supplies for frontline workers. We were asked, can we design any number of these products and manufacture them? It was a very emotional time. Everyone was, we were concerned about the safety of our employees and our employees' families. We were all working remote like much of the country was, but we felt called to be able to help.
We went from one day to doing platform work and some 3D printing projects to, for the first time, developing a product that had to be worn by essential workers. So we started making these face shields, a few hundred at a time, and we quickly started getting, really inundated with requests from more regional hospitals, and what went from a few hundred a day went to a couple thousand. What was a couple thousand went to 10,000, and then one hospital reached out and said, hey, we need 50,000 of these, and we need them in a couple days.
At that point, we knew we needed to scale up manufacturing, and so we moved to injection molding, and we're able to scale from 1,000 units per day to 120,000 units per day. We started receiving requests from all across the country and overseas.
Because we were able to deliver much more quickly, and we were able to be lean and agile and move fast to, if we had some material issue, quickly work with one of our partners to find another resource, and we just weren't dependent on really anything overseas.
2020 shined a great big spotlight on the challenges with single source overseas supply chains.
A big goal for ZVerse is to continue to manufacture within the States, but be able to build that infrastructure more and offer it to other folks.
This small company of 18 employees has now grown to almost 100 employees, and we're delivering PPE made in America all over the world. One of the things I'm really proud of what ZVerse has been able to do is that we've been able to do it from South Carolina. What's great about South Carolina and right here in Columbia even is you've got some amazing companies and amazing people who are innovating every day, and we're able to respond to this crisis. And there's a workforce here that is highly skilled and that we can leverage to really bring jobs, but also bring critical supplies to where they're needed when they're needed. ZVerse is lucky to call South Carolina home.